Indian equities ended the month of May on a firm footing, with all indices managing to gain during the month. It was the India VIX that actually slumped more than 25% and posted the worst month that we've had since April 2020. Of course, the rally was led by the PSU stocks. The Nifty PSU Bank gained about 18% and the Nifty PSU index also surged more than 11%. It was the Nifty Media index that also made a big move, 14% up move in the month of May, and the Nifty Energy index also climbing more than 10%. So those were the strong cues that we got from the month of May. But how is the seasonality factor likely to impact Indian equities in the month of June? That's the big question, and we are going to give you the answers to that. Now, if you have a look at the seasonality pattern, it has been a mixed month, for the broader market indices. Of course, it's been very good for the small and the mid-cap space because they have surged about 2 to 3% each in the last 5 years on an average during the month of June. Also, they have managed to advance 3 out of the last 5 times in June as compared to Nifty and Nifty Bank, which have surged about 1.5% each and have managed to gain only 2 out of the last 5 times. Moving on to the sector indices, it is once again the Nifty PSU Bank that is showing extremely positive seasonal factors. It has gained about 4.5% in the last 5 years on an average. However, it has managed to advance just 2 out of the last 5 times. Nifty Realty, that's the interesting one, 3.9% up move in the last 5 years, and it has also managed to gain 4 out of 5 times. Similar is the case with the Nifty Pharma Index that has surged about 3.5% and 4 out of the last 5 times. And also the Nifty Metal Index, which has surged more than 2.5% and has gained 3 out of 5 times. The Nifty Financial Services Index similarly has gained about 2.5%, and then you have the Nifty FMCG Index, which has surged more than 2% and risen about 4 out of 5 times in the last 5 years. Nifty Energy Index, that's the last big mover over there, 1.5%, and it has managed to gain 2 out of last 5 times. There are no notable losers in terms of sector indices that we have to point out in the month of June. However, a whole host of stocks that have advanced and declined in each of the last 5 years during the month of June. Starting off with the gainers list, Bajaj Finance has risen about 14% on average. You have Bajaj Holdings that has risen about 9% on an average. Page Industries has surged 8%, Tata Consumer has surged 6%, followed by Steel Authority of India that has surged 4%, and lastly you have HDFC that has risen about 3%. So a lot of large cap names, including a lot of nifty names featuring in the gainers list. Lastly, not much to talk about as far as stock losers are concerned, just Finotex Chemical that has declined 7%, and then you have Vadilal Industries that has managed to decline 5%. But overall, the June seasonality factor is on a mixed note. However, it is in favor of the broader markets. That's the small and the mid cap index.